Hello everybody, Sharon here today with another tutorial that is PHP PDO. Actually, what is PDO? PDO stands for PHP Data Object. I am going to explain what PDO is. PDO is lightweight constant interface to accessing database for PHP. It is a data access abstraction layer. That means regardless which data you are using, you can have the same function to use by using PDO. And this is based on object-oriented programming. By using PDO, we can easily use object-oriented programming in our PHP. Okay, now benefits of PDO. Multiple database. This is notably my favorite. That means you can use 12 different database with PDO with the same functionality. And the another benefit is security. By using PHP MySqli, that is not secure at all. We can make it more secure by using PDO. I'll show you that inside the video. And it has reusability, so you can use same code again and again, and awesome error handling. Will show everything in the video tutorial. Without further ado, let's start. And here I made a blog post for this tutorial. You can copy and paste the code. Go to htdocs folder. In my case, I have installed XAMPP on my C drive. Just go to XAMPP and htdocs. Let's create a folder here. I'll make PHP _PDO. That's great. Okay, now open Visual Studio Code or any code editor you like to use. Now click on this add folder. If you haven't any project, then this option will show to you. htdocs PHP _PDO. In here I'll create index.php. All of the code will written inside this code. Okay, at first beginning PHP tag, and let's end it like this. First of all, go to google.com. From here search for PHP PDO. Here you can find the result from php.net. That is official website for PHP. From here you can read all the documentation to learn more about it, but I'm going to explain to you what it is going to do. Okay, at first let's see how to make connection with database. Before that, we need to run our exam server. Exam, search for exam. It will show the exam control panel. Start these two, Apache and MySQL. Now open a new tab, localhost. It will go to the default dashboard, but we want to go to our project PHP PDO. It's directing perfectly. Okay, open a new tab and just write localhost /php myadmin. PHP myadmin. Let's make a database for our project. Okay, create new database. Name will be PHP _PDO. Create database has been created. Let's create a table. Name with clears, and column will be by default 4. Okay, let's make it 4. First one will be ID type is integer, and 11, this will be auto increment. Name, this will be varchar. 255 length, and club varchar 255 save. We don't need the last one. We have this 3 column. Okay, go to browse, ID, name and club. Okay, let's create a record from this phpMyAdmin. Insert ID will be 1, name will be CR7 and club Juventus. Okay, go to browse. From here you can see it has recorded 1. Now we want to do that by using PHP PDO. At first go to PHP PDO. From here click on this connection and connection management. You can see the way how they connect by using PDO in PHP. Okay, let's copy this and paste it here. Just write dbs. Let's make it part by part. At first we are going to do this. Okay, mysql, make it double quotation mark, mysql, make some variable. First one will be db name. What was our db name? It was PHP underscore PDO user. By default user is root in PHP MyAdmin. Password, by default password is blank in PHP MyAdmin. Make sure it is equal, not the colon sign. And last one is host. Local host will be host is equal $sign host, afterward semicolon, db name is equal $sign db name. Okay, that's it. Now let's create a connection. We are going to name it PDO. Make a new object of PDO. dbs comma user comma password. Okay, that's all. Now let's do some error handling. For this, click on errors and errors handling. I make it misspelled, DSN. Okay, let's do some error handling. Try, tab, take it inside try catch block. Catch, we are going to catch PDO exception. Make a variable of e and okay, we'll print that later on. Let's see here what we can do. We can set an attribute to handle our errors. PDO, because this is an object, we'll use this operator. Set attribute PDO colon a double tr error made, comma, second parameter will be PDO colon Don't worry, I will explain to you what this set attribute is. Error made exception. Okay, that's all. Now once the database is connected, we are going to write some JavaScript in here so we can console it out. Okay, let's do it. Let's close the PHP tag and open one more PHP tag. In between them we can write our JavaScript code. Script tag db connected, okay. Let's open your browser, localhost /php_PDO. Let's see what does it means. Right click, inspect element, go to the console, you see database is connected.